Hi, this is Balsu, Director, Balsu Success Academy. Today, I'm going to talk about how do you crack CAT in the next 100 days to come. With about 100 days to go for CAT 2020, let me suggest a plan that one may, if tried sincerely, can certainly make into IIMs. Assume that one is at level 0 now, but is committed for CAT preparation. So before we start, let's have a basic understanding of CAT exam. You need to know the game before you play it. So, CAT is an exam with 3 sections, with 1 hour of time limitation for each section. Quantitative ability, 34 questions. Data interpretation, logical reasoning, 32 questions. And verbal, 34 questions. The test is an online format with multiple choice questions, and a few are type in the answer format. That means you'll have a fill in the blanks and you should basically write the option there. Now I'm going to talk to you in terms of 3 stages in which you can prepare, considering that you are in a level 0. What do I mean by level 0? How do you know whether you are level 0 or not? The first suggestion which I'm giving you is I want you to take a sample test with the present pattern and find out where do you stand. I suggest you to solve this test in the given timing, this is 3 hours, and then again try to solve the question paper without a time limit to check how many questions you can generally solve if there is no time limit. A proper analysis of this score or this answers would help you understand your areas of strength and areas which needs to improve. Now, don't feel disheartened if you score low. It just means that you need to put right efforts in the remaining time. This should be done. It's not that difficult. So for doing this, I would suggest you should not take more than 2 days time. Okay, so now let me get into stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. Stage 1. Create a list of known topics and not so comfortable topics. Then create a daily or a weekly plan to systematically learn and assimilate the identified concepts and topics. I would suggest you start with the concepts from school books for maths, right? And try to complete few concepts on a daily basis. Let's say a focus study for 20 to 25 days should be very comfortable to finish the concepts, school level concepts. That is for quants. Similarly, on the same 20 to 25 days, English, if you read through, if you learn the concepts, there are a few concepts to be learned, and a few concepts in DI and LR. It's 20 to 25 days is more than enough. Now we move on to stage 2. Now we need to start practicing to solve CAT level questions. Initially you have done concepts understanding. Now we are moving towards practicing CAT level questions. So my suggestion, collect your resources of that particular questions and then start the work. Parallelly, you need to take section-wise test and few full-length tests for practice. Now again, don't worry about the total score or the percentile at this juncture. What you should measure is how much I have studied and how much am I getting right in the concepts where I have studied or in the portion which I have completed. Right? Obviously, a proper analysis after every test would show you better. This stage can probably consume another 30 to 40 days. Now we'll move on to stage 3. Right? In this stage, I would suggest you to move towards 3 important points. Speed reading, fast calculation, choosing the right questions. These 3 key skills need to be practiced and used here. Right? So I would say, let's say this phase will go on till the exam date. Right? Now look at it. In the current scenario, these 3 stages which I meant can have a small overlap too. But the most important, the key ingredients to go for a CAT center confidently are clarity in thought and a positive frame of mind, practice of avoiding diversions, self-motivation, and perseverance. Thank you. Best of luck.